In this video, we will be reviewing low battery notification, sensor troubleshooting, replacing the sensor battery, and locking the sensor on your valve stem. If your sensor battery should need to be replaced, you will have a visual and an audible alarm indicating which sensor needs to be replaced, along with a symbol at the bottom of the monitor indicating that the battery needs to be replaced. The sensors will only use power while under pressure. With continuous use, we suggest that you change the batteries every 12 months. This is to ensure that your system runs at optimum performance. If you should lose sensor signal, you will receive both an audio and visual warning, along with no readings for that tire. Our first suggestion would be to ensure that the battery is working correctly. You may need to replace the sensor battery. Our second suggestion would be to switch the non-working sensor with a sensor you know that is working. Simply unscrew the sensor that has dropped signal, and screw the same sensor onto another tire you know to be working. Now you should see if the fault follows the sensor or if it is a tire valve issue. Another suggestion is to ensure that the monitor is placed away from any interference, such as a GPS or other electronic devices. To replace the batteries in your sensors, remove the sensors from your tire valve and remove the black cap. The black ring located on the top of the sensor is the antenna. Using a tool such as a screwdriver, carefully remove the battery from under the antenna. Please take care not to damage the antenna while removing the battery. Insert the new battery plus side up under the antenna. The battery should fit snugly into place. Replace the black cap and tighten until finger tight. You can now return it to your valve stem. To lock your sensor on your valve stem, using the Allen key included in your base system, loosen the locking screw, and screw the sensor to your valve stem until finger tight. Using the Allen key, tighten the lock screw until snug. Please keep the Allen key on hand to ensure that you'll be able to remove the sensors. Thank you for watching. All of our products and information can be found at our website.